Told you I could help.
Ready to take the fight to them? Sure you are.
Sure. Who wouldn't be in for a day of near-death
El
experience?
regreso del diablo.
Vincula las capas.
Best be prepared for any and all.
All right, collect your breath, collect yourself. Then let's get out of here. Toot sweet.
Over 2. This is Hope 1. Do you copy?
Hey, General.
Need all cleaners back at the Ville. Pronto. Hard copy?
We're on our way.
Hope 1 out.
Well, you heard the General.
Mm-hmm.
You're on your own out there.
Another day, another dice with death.
Well, what do you know?
Need to find a good vantage point. See how bad it is.
I'm fine, Christine. Just a
Reloading!
I am so sorry.
Through here!
It's down.
Who the fuck shot me?
Hoffman! Watch your line of sight.
Mine now.
Be needing this.
Shit. I'm sorry, Ren. Come on. We need to keep moving. Back off.
I'm all right, sir.
Reloading
Accidents
here.
happen.
Well, watch where you park yourself.
Could come in handy.
I'll take this.
Hoffman, eyes on the ridge. And maybe your bullets will fall.
Check your fire. What is this shit? Appreciate it.
Come on! Reloading! Ladders, my old nemesis.
Shit. Where'd everyone go?
gotta slap a patch on this.
Hey, work faces! You're up!
We got incoming.
Is anyone still out there? We need help. They've got us trapped.
Don't worry, we hear you.
Oh, thank God. We thought we were the only ones left. We could really use some assistance. We're pinned down in the old...
God damn it.
Stick to the center and you'll be fine.
Mine now.
Taking this.
Need to reload.
Friendly fire!
Shit! Sorry! Ugh, looks like I got a tooth stuck in there.
How you like that?
Hoffman! I'll kill you if you do that again. Ugh.
Yeah,
Gunstrike.
don't come
Gotta
back,
reload.
you hear?
Ugh, I'm covered in this shit. Ugh.
See light here. Need to reload.
Through here!
Molly, watch your fire. I could use that.
Need this.
None the worse for wear. Could come in handy.
Patching myself up.
Let me take care of this.
Oh, no, you're going to let them in!
Dream team, right here.
Love what he's done with the place.
Didn't ask you to be here. Best you went. The door's clearly marked. Unless you're buying. Just get what you need to get out. Nothing's gonna save you. No! It's gonna hear you!
Everybody ready?
I'll take this. Just a scratch.
Reloading!
Target down. What's your line of sight?
Oh, sorry! Said probably smarts, right? This place feels like pineapple on pizza. Just plain wrong.
Get to the tunnel!
Come on, then! Come on, then!
Hey, busy watching my back. Don't need to be watching yours.
More haste, less speed, HR.
This way! Gotta reload!
Too far ahead. Need that.
Come on, we're a team. Let's stick together and act like one.
What on God's green earth was that?
Oh, check your fire!
You all right there, Luke?
Bloody shot me! Watch my back while I next. Could come in handy.
Reloading!
Don't see anyone's name on it.
I could use that. Hoffman! Eyes on the ridge! Then maybe your bullets will follow.
A little self-care here.
Locked. I'll take this.
Never know when I might need this. Christine, are you all right?
Fine, I'm fine. Just the excitement, that's all.
Reloading!
I'm all right, sir. Accidents happen.
You okay? Check your fire!
Something's not right here. Bigger they are.
Just a little bit further!
Hey, man! You will fall!
Not far. It's a passable route over Washington Bridge.
Got bullet! Not in my weapon! Hoffman, watch out! Well, in for a penny.
Need to reload. I'm fine, Christine. Just a scrape.
Mind your ass!
You're going down! Holly!
Reloading!
Reloading!
need to get back to the team.
Quit playing around and get in here!
Glad you guys could keep up.
Locked and loaded. Did you do that on purpose?
Oh, sorry! My bad.
Cool.
Hopefully something left in here. Checking the vehicle.
Out! That's gonna leave a mark.
We need to stop written access across the Kanoa River ASAP. That means taking out George Washington Bridge. We cannot wait for those caught on the other side. Hope one out.
Locked.
I don't know if anyone can hear me, but our settlement is gone. Infected, changed, mutated. I repeat, Evansburg is gone. No survivors.
Hey! Watch where you're shooting!
Reloading!
Need to reload.
Jump!
Flashlight time. Need this.
Pistol here. Ammo here. Ammo over here.
Come on, we're a team. Let's stick together and act like one.
I'll take this.
Ammo here.
Now, is this my fault or their fault? I'm saying theirs.
Ammo here!
Reloading!
Molotov.
Could come in handy.
Where there's a will, there's a way. So, where's the way?
LMG.
And right on time!
Hey, got what you need right here.
Need to reload!
Use assistance here. We've got the upper hand! Take this!
Point the business in at the ridden, please.
Sorry! Gotta pay more attention to where I point this thing.
Sometimes it seems there's no end to these things.
Reloading.
Need this.
You need to get back to the team.
Looks like as good a place as any to gather ourselves.
There!
This way.
Bandages here.
Meds!
Need a moment to fix this.
Meds here.
Taking this. A little self-care here.
Bandages here.
Nothing to worry about.
Incoming!
You see that? Something in the water.
Well, we're all still breathing, so that's something. One final push and we're home free! Just need to cross the bridge. Used to be hell during rush hour.
Locked and loaded.
Stinger there!
Need to reload. Oh, this should be no problem.
Got any better ideas? Fine. So let's say we get our sweet little petunias across that river.
What's your line of sight?
Oh, sorry! My bad. Over there.
Overture. Team en route to blow George Washington Bridge. We cannot delay. Do you copy?
Need to move.
Vent here! Cool. There.
Good thing I wore my running shoes today.
Ammo. Cover me.
Hope this is Rover 2. We're at George Washington Bridge, and we're very popular at the moment. Over.
Damn it. Pick up.
Got you.
We lost Walker.
Hey! Over here!
What the shit is this?
Watch where you're firing!
Mind your ass. Reloading.
Ammo over here.
Reloading.
you get.
Thanks, Hall.
Here.
Time to take the ferry.
What's that?
Approaching George Washington Bridge. Rover 2, if you're out there, you need to run. We won't have time to wait. We need to blow this bridge.
What's that? Keep up. Don't want to have to go back for you.
Watch out! Exploder! Reloading!
Shotgun! And just to be clear, this time I mean the seat, not the weapon. In the head! Reloading! Bombs down!
We lost Mom! Team, a little help! Who the fuck shot me?
Sincere. Come on, Ned. Watch my back while I patch this up.
Just a little more time. You made it.
Need to reload.
Down!
Damn you, Hawk.
Exploder!
Almost out.
Keep moving, soldier. Time to grieve when we're done.
We need to sink that ship and close the front. You up for the job?
But we just came through it.
Need to review the plant explosives on the boat. The rest of us will lay down covering fire from here.
Sure, I'll go back. Didn't get time to look around the first time. No big deal. No big deal.
Need to reload!
Ready? I'm ready. In fact, from now on, you can call me Ready McReady. I'm so ready.
Check your fire!
Oh, sorry! My bad. Oh, this should be no problem.
Well, anyone got any better ideas? Thought not. So what say we get our sweet little patooties across that river?
Rover 2, team en route to blow George Washington Bridge. We cannot delay. Do you...
Let's do this.
Gotta hurt.
There's too many. Gotta reach the transport. Bigger! Holly, watch your fire.
Hey, where'd you go?
Need to reload! What is this shit?
Not how I thought today would go.
Pusher, over there!
In the head!
Cover me!
Watch out, Stinger!
A little help! It's got me!
Cruiser! Need a hand here!
Hold it down! Over there.
Hope this is Rover 2. We're at George Washington Bridge, and we're very popular at the moment. Over.
Damn it. Stick up. Hold this down.
Appreciate it.
Over there. Reloading.
I'm fine, but I should probably take care of this.
If it's down, blow its fucking head off.
Walker's down! Come on, big guy. Here, I got your back.
Shit, that stings.
Appreciate it.
Did you see that?
Parker! Fuck this shit.
Gotta reload.
Walker's down! Need to reload.
Bomb's down! Here!
Thanks, hon.
I don't know if I've told you, but I don't like boats.
Need an assist! Hey! Help here!
Ain't seen much. Roger over there!
always count on you.
Need to reload.
Approaching George Washington Bridge. Rover 2, if you're out there, you need to run.
Ooh! Get the fucking thing off me!
Mom's down! Walker's down!
Get me up! Hey guys, a little help!
What are you waiting for? An invitation? Get me up!
As much as I like laying down, do with a hand?
You bloody shot me!
Mind your ass!
SMG, stay alert, stay alive.
Smiling now?
Reloading!
It's still me.
What the hell, Holly? Bandages here.
Cool.
We don't have another option. It's this or swim.
Well, anyone got any better ideas? Thought. What say we get our sweet little patooties across that river?
Rover 2, team en route to blow George Washington Bridge. We cannot delay. Do you copy?
Let's do this.
Axe here.
Handgun.
How to reload?
Keeping that for me.
Barrel attachment over here.
Shit. Where'd everyone go? Good thing I wore my running shoes today. Ladies first.
Get this stuff off me. We've got a cruiser.
What the hell?
I am so sorry.
Watch out, Stinger.
Phillips, you got your ears on? We're at the old Washington Bridge, and we've got the host of hell on our heels. Over. Shit. I've had worse ones.
Up and down! Almost there!
Washington Bridge. Rover 2, if you're out there, you need to run. We won't have time to wait. We need to blow this bridge.
Some help here! Cover me! What's that?
A little help? It's got me!
Need to reload!
Help!
All is down! When you have time! Help!
There you go, Hawk.
Much obliged.